So I have done videos on leveling up faster. I have done videos on how to get level 100. And today I'm going to be bringing you the ultimate fastest way to level up guide in all of Prodigy. So I recommend you watch until the entire video to find every single tip. You're not going to want to miss this video. Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the new and updated 2020 version of how to level up fastest in Prodigy. If you're new around here, I make a ton of Prodigy videos, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. Only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so help me reach a goal. Hit that subscribe button down below. It takes 3 seconds. But without any further ado, let's get into the ultimate guide of how to level up fast in Prodigy. So guys, straight off the bat, a brand new tip, and that is to battle in the Earth Tower in the Academy. As you guys can see here, I am in the Academy, and of course, I have unlocked the Earth Tower. Now, the Earth Tower is actually super overpowered because it gives you so many stars. Guys, just battling in the Earth Tower alone will give you so many extra stars. So guys, trust me, do this technique and you will level up so much faster in Prodigy. So guys, the next tip we're going to be talking about is one that I've mentioned, but not really fully explained, and this one also you're really going to want to do if you want to level up fast in Prodigy. And guys, that is to do bounties, and I'm going to give you 2 different reasons why doing bounties are super overpowered. So guys, first off, doing these bounties is going to give you bounty notes, which gives you a ton of overpowered armor. And guys, just doing these battles alone are going to give you so much stars and gold. But the part that no one talks about is doing these battles during bounties actually gives you some super overpowered pets, which then can be used in battle to win you more battles and get you even more stars. So guys, I recommend if you're looking to level up faster, go to the bounty board and just do every bounty that you can. Trust me, you're gonna level up so much faster. No need to thank me, just hit that subscribe button. Now guys, the very next tip is having to do with the new area, Crystal Caverns, and let me explain why this area is one of the best areas for all of leveling up. So guys, when you head straight into Crystal Caverns, you're not gonna have to do stupid tasks given by someone like Flora. So guys, if you don't know, if you do someplace like the Firefly Forest, you're gonna have these stupid tasks that Flora gives you, and you're not gonna be able to do anything you want. But in the Crystal Caverns, it is free reign. Especially in this very first area, you can do whatever you want. You can do battle after battle after battle after battle. Look, I'm already in a battle straight off the bat. I can do this battle while I'm literally explaining why it is good. So do not pass up the Crystal Caverns. It is super duper fun, and it's super easy as well. For fighting crystal monsters, I'm getting coins, I'm getting levels. So trust me, if you want to level up fast, battle in the Crystal Caverns. I'm actually going to finish this battle just for fun to show you how easy this is. And guys, just like that, we have defeated the crystal monster. We're going to get so many stars, and literally it took me about 2 minutes to get from where I started to getting all these stars. Just go to the Crystal Caverns. It's super fun, and you're going to level up extremely fast. Now guys, next up, I've mentioned this in every single level up video. I'm not even sponsored by Prodigy. I mean, I want to, so Prodigy, if you're watching this, I want to be sponsored. Anyway, buy the membership. I'm not even trying to sell out here. I know it costs money, but it's just, it helps you level up faster. Do I wish Prodigy made it where you could level up fast without the membership? Yes, but the membership is very viable, and you're gonna get a lot of awesome stuff with it. So my recommendation is to buy the membership if you can, but if not, don't worry. I'm gonna show you guys more ways to level up right now. So guys, one that people don't really talk about is battling Pippit. Now, if you did not know, Pippit is this really weird character who goes around the map and just basically wants to battle you. And I'm going to show an example on the screen right now. Once you defeat the Pippit, it is super duper overpowered. You get so much stars and you are going to level up so fast. So guys, my recommendation is to find Pippit as much as possible. Do some battles with Pippit. He is a very fun battle to do because he talks a little bit of trash and you can get back at him by absolutely destroying him. So go battle the Pippit. It's really fun. I recommend you do it. Now guys, next up, I have shared this tip before, similar to a few in my other videos, but I haven't stressed this enough. So guys, you're going to want to go to the town square and go to the right side of the map here in this little area. So just go over to the right side of the map and you're going to head into this room. And guys, in this room, this is Wizard Battle Central. On the left side, we got all these monsters in the Coliseum, guys, as well as some awesome items. These boots given by Benjamin, I still wear to this day. And on the right side, this shows you all your season prizes and battles, and you can actually find some random people to battle. If you literally click right here and click find challenger, you're gonna get some awesome rewards, and trust me guys, it's very fun. I recommend you do it. So guys, next up, I'm going to be tying in what I just said about membership, and that is to do the Dark Tower. Now, of course, I have already been in the Dark Tower, and I'm not a member right now, so for me, this does not really matter. But if you do happen to have a member, if you're lucky enough to have a member, then do the Dark Tower. At the end of the Dark Tower, I'll show you, you get these awesome, super awesome items, guys. Literally insanely good items. Let me put them on real fast. First off, you get the Mirror's Hood, and I'm already wearing the Mirror's Robes, as well as one more awesome item, which I'm pretty sure is the Mirror's Staff. As you can see, you get this full outfit if you complete the Dark Tower, and this is some of the best items in all of Prodigy, guys. Just trust me, do it. I've said it so many times. You have to do it if you want to level up fast. Now, guys, if you aren't lucky enough to have member, this tip, literally in every single video, people always comment. They're like, how do you level up fast, Camden? How do you level up fast? I've said this to every single person, and no one seems to listen to me, okay? Pay attention. You're gonna want to go to this guy right here, Matcha, okay? And buy one of these ones. I recommend getting the Magic Fire Rod. As you can see, stats, 4 power bonus. If you go and you check my Mirror's 1, power bonus 20, they are equal, okay? This is literally an item anyone can get. You don't need member, you don't need to do any of these fancy challenges. Just collect these relic coins and get one of these wands. It's not that hard. It hurts me, guys. I've said this so many times, and I feel like I'm gonna have to keep saying it. If you want to get good, get these wands. It's literally so easy. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up this video. Please hit that subscribe button. My goal is 100k subs just in total, guys. So hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber helps. And do drop a like and comment down below on this video. I supplied you with some awesome tips. And if you guys want to see more Prodigy tip videos, like I said, just subscribe. I'm gonna keep making them. Even if some of them are repeated in some videos, I have to do it because no one listens to me. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.